Okay, hello. So this is the Mirror 1B I'm filming on, yeah. So today I'm gonna be talking about the Tokina 17mm f3.5, which is over here, and I have the Canon 5D over here, the body, and so I'm gonna be putting this Tokina on the Canon 5D. This lens is quite nice, although my copy has some fog, some haze. So I'm gonna be putting some images on the screen in the end, but yeah. So this is what it looks like, this Tokina. Honestly, it looks okay. It's an ultra wide non-fisheye spherical lens. As you can see, this thing I put in manual focus. This thing focuses like this. This thing is a Nikon style focus grip thing here. So I'm not sure why the heck they put it on the Canons. Usually Canon uses like these plastic things like on the STM50 or the 50 or something like that. Yeah. So this is quite unique, because it's probably from Tokina and not from not from Canon. And you also have like this small viewing screen thingy, which is from Nikon's mostly, yeah, but Canons can also have those things. Okay, so let me show you the autofocus. Turn this body on. AF on. See, noisy as fuck. But it does work, and it does give nice results. So for the Tokina, how long have I been talking for? 2 minutes? Okay, so what I'm gonna say is the Tokina is a nice lens. You might like it for video, because for video this manual setting is quite okay. This thing has like a focus through of 45 degrees, which is nice for handheld stuff without a focus gear. If you're gonna do focus pulling and stuff like that, you probably wanna get something else. But if you don't, then the Tokina is actually quite a nice thing. I'm sure you've heard of the Tokina RMC 17 3.5 before this guy, the fully manual version here. I'm not sure if the optics are the same, but that version is, what you call this thing? A little bit older than this guy, so you can probably get those things in worse condition than this most of the time, but this is also quite rare. So I've seen the 17mm 3.5 like twice on sale. I've only seen this guy once on sale. But sadly, this guy, even if I only saw this, what you call this thing? Even if I've only seen this guy once for sale, like one unit for sale in my whole buying selling optics life. This guy is haze, and I'm gonna send this thing back. So haze actually doesn't really impact the image that much, yeah, but haze will fuck up your image in ways you do not like. Like for example, you're gonna push your lens towards the light source. For example, this mirror will be on this what you call this thing? Nikon Z6. I'm gonna push this thing onto the light. Look at that flare, it's nice. See? But if you look at like the Tokina, it's gonna go blue the screen. I'm not sure if you've seen it in previous videos of mine, but you can probably see some in the channel, yeah? Because I've been using the Tokina for the last few days. It gives off this like blue cast when it's hazy and stuff. I'm not sure if that's the coatings or if it's just because of the haze, but it's still quite bothering, and that's why I'm sending this guy back. For the back part of this lens, let me go take this thing off first, yeah? Careful not to drop the 5D, because 5D is mine. Okay. For the back part, it's pretty much a standard EF lens with some little, what you call these things? Like hook mark thingies, yeah? Which you can like open up with either vernier calipers or a lens wrench if you want to clean the thing up. It's actually probably gonna be quite easy. You can see these like slots. So if you want to CLA this thing, good luck, man. I think you're gonna be quite happy about like how easy it is to repair. I've now opened this guy up. I'm gonna send this thing back, and so yeah, it's not very ethical to send something back if you're pretty sure it's not gonna be fixable. This thing has a filter slide actually inside, unlike the Zenithal 16mm f2.8, yeah. This thing has a filter slide in here. I'm not sure how well it's gonna work with filters, because some filters are quite fat, yeah, essentially. So there's like this inner ring, then it has this like metal like bit right here, yeah. And sometimes it's quite fat, especially on CPL filters, and this thing, look at tolerances, man. This is like not enough for me to fit my fingernail in. So yeah, you're probably gonna get some problems there. And also, this thing moves forward and backwards. So if you wanna put some filters, this thing is gonna move it forward and backwards. So if it does snag, yeah, if the filter does snag, it's not like you screw it down and just let it be in there. No, it's gonna like snag on the petals right here. And so you're gonna either have to cut the petals with something or do without a filter, which is I think the best way to go with. And so yeah, that's pretty much the end for the Tokina. And I'm probably gonna put some images in if I do remember. If I don't, then I'm just gonna post this thing up on YouTube. So yeah, thank you and goodbye. Hope you like it. Thank you.